Hi, I'm Owen, and this weekend I was at Telford Scale Model World, where I had the opportunity to talk to Jim Baumann, one of the IPMS judges and also an exceptionally talented modeller. I began by asking him, what do the judges look for when deciding on an award-winning model?
General rule is accuracy, alignment, paint finish. In the case of aircraft, decals without silvered edges, decals that are aligned, decals that are the correct size, which is not always a prerequisite. Sometimes people use older decals on newer kits and there are there's discrepancies that creep in, which is very unfortunate sometimes for the overall look of the model. With ships, the interpretation is rather more general because the kits are not always accurate, especially older ones. Ships underwent many changes during their very long lifespans. So a ship, for example, might have a lifespan of 40 years and would change form and design and equipment massively in those years. So we'd assume the modeller to have some knowledge of what he has been portraying, and we require some degree of expertise ourselves with ships to understand what we are judging. Trying to apply the same criteria to the very small models as the large models is very difficult. On larger models you can of course add far more detail. In aircraft, armour and vehicles it's always the same.
What do you personally enjoy about judging at Telford?
I enjoy spending time in an uncrowded environment to be able to take a very close look at my fellow modellers' work. Is it enjoyable? It can be. At times it is heartbreaking when you have two models of truly equal status and you have to decide and nitpick and hairpick between them.
So you guys have a very tough job, don't you, really?
In many ways, yes. There are times when there are three equal models and it's very hard to judge, and that's when the argy-bargy goes back and forth between the judges until we do manage to eliminate. There can only be one gold medal winner.